Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali. Today I'm going to share with you guys my recipe on meatloaf. So let's get started. Here are my ingredients. We're going to need ketchup, mustard, salt and pepper, brown sugar, Ritz crackers, eggs, milk, and ground beef. We're also going to need chopped celery, carrots, and onion. So we're going to get started right now. I'm going to first show you guys, I'm going to cook my vegetables first. What I'm going to do, I'm going to saute them for about 5 minutes before adding them into the ground beef. My frying pan has already been heating up on medium heat. I'm going to add some olive oil spray. And I'm just going to cook these until they're nice and tender, nice and soft. And add some more cooking spray. We'll let these cook and we'll come back to it. So I have here my 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm going to add, what I did, I opened up this little Ritz crackers package and I got them, I put them in here and I smashed them up. It makes it easier because if they're inside the Ziploc bag, you won't lose the crackers when you're smashing them. So, I'm gonna put them in here. I'm gonna add my egg. Salt and pepper to taste. And I'm going to add my milk. The milk is going to help keep the meat, its moisture. I'm going to check back on my vegetables. They're almost ready. Okay, today I'm going to use some gloves. So what's going to be happening, I'm going to smash everything in together. And this kind of keeps your hands clean. Let's see. Okay, ready. Mix everything together. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to go back and check into my vegetables. Smell pretty good. And they are ready. I'm going to add them into my mix. And look at that. Okay, so I got this awesome pan here. This is pretty cool because it makes it easy for when you're trying to remove the meatloaf and it keeps it all together. I highly recommend this. I'm gonna mix it one more time. Should have brought a second pair of gloves, but it's a little hot, so be careful. Not too hot, but it's a little hot. We're gonna mix this all together and then we're gonna place it in our meatloaf pan. Okay, I'm gonna add one more packet of the Ritz crackers. And remember that when you guys are making this recipe, if you guys feel like you guys need to add anything else, it's okay to do so. Right now I saw it and I'm like, I think I might need some more. And if you don't want to put it in the bag, you could always smash it up with your hands. Just make sure that you guys break it apart. And you could always go back and smash it in. Let me just open this up. My hands are kind of dirty and sticky. And maybe it's, well, let me see. There you go. So it's kind of messy. If there's any large pieces, break them up. This is ready to be put in the pan. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna grab it because this is already the shape of the meatloaf that I'm trying to create. You guys could always use other type of crackers. Saltines is fine, or bread. Today I wanted to use the Ritz because they're nice and buttery and I like that taste. Okay. I'm gonna use the spatula to shape it. You could always just pat it down, but if we have the spatula, then I use the spatula. Looks pretty with the celery and the carrots. Hold on, I see a big piece. Hold on, let me break it apart. Okay, so that's that. I'm gonna make my sauce. I'm gonna pour these in here. Make sure that we mix it in. I have 2 tablespoons, and I have 2 tablespoons of the mustard and the ketchup. Okay. Make sure that you guys get all your sauce. If you guys can, you guys could make this the night before and you guys could just put it in the oven the next day. We're always trying to find a way for shortcuts, right, for making dinner. Okay, that looks pretty good. I already put my oven at 350. It's been preheating, so it's good to go. We're gonna bake this for 1 hour. Oops, I lost it. We'll be back. My meatloaf is ready. It took about 1 hour and 10 minutes to cook. This is the final result right here. And I'm gonna show you guys really quick this container. So this is how it works. You remove the meatloaf and it catches all the excess fat or oil, and it's very practical. I love it. Put it back and ta-da. So today I'm gonna eat my meatloaf with my mashed potatoes. If you guys are interested in finding out how to make the mashed potatoes, I have a video. Look it up and they are amazing. So thank you guys very much for watching. For everybody that is gonna try this at home, let me know how you like it. Don't forget to like and comment. If you haven't subscribed, do so. So you're gonna be part of the Modern Mom Allie family. Keep your notifications on. I'm gonna be making more recipes. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to make the salsa roja. Keep tuned for that. It goes good with everything. So keep posted. I'll see you guys very soon. I'm gonna have some dinner. Let's see, look at this. Provecho.